Explore Angel Falls, the world's tallest waterfall in Venezuela's mystical jungle. Welcome to Venezuela's crown jewel, El Salto Ángel, the world's tallest waterfall at 979 meters. Located in Parque Nacional Canaima, surrounded by lush, misty jungle landscapes and tepuis. Named after aviator Jimmy Angel, but known to Pemón people as Kerepakupai Merú. Kerepakupai Merú means waterfall of the deepest place in the Pemón language. The water falls from a tepui, an ancient table mountain over 2 billion years old. Did you know the fall is so tall the water turns to mist before it reaches the bottom? Venezuela has over 20 tepuis. These mystical mountains inspired Pixar's movie, Up.